what's up, YouTubers? Swede coming from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today we're doing a cool song on acoustic guitar. I'm so excited by the Pointer Sisters. So, a few things. I'm in standard tuning. If you want to play along with the record, put a capo on 3rd fret, please. And play the same thing I'm showing you. Alright, so we got an E minor, 1, 2. We got A minor, 1, 2, 3. Make that a C major, 1, 2, 3. G major. That's the verses, and we got 3 parts basically for this song. Then we got an F sharp minor bar chord, unfortunately, so this is not going to be easy it's not going to work for beginners. But 2nd fret, bar, all the strings, 4, 4, B, F sharp minor to E minor, B minor. So that's starting on the A string, 2nd fret, bar, 4D, 4G, 3B. So 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, same strumming, B minor. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, E minor. And it ends with A minor, and D major. Little tuning. Close enough for jazz. Alright, so and let's do that again. F sharp, E minor, B, F sharp, E minor, A minor, B, D. I'm so excited, and that's gonna take us to the chorus. So let's call this part number 3. I'm so excited. E minor, C major, C major, D, E minor. I'm so excited, just can't hide it. D major, E, first, E minor, A minor, C major, G, E minor, A minor, C major to G. And I think the second time around they don't go to that pre-chorus thing, they go straight to chorus. Excited. It's a keyboard solo, right? Which over the verse. A minor, C major, to G, E minor, A minor, C major, to G. Pre-chorus. F sharp, E minor to B. F sharp minor, A minor, easy. If you know how to play bar chords, this is an easy song. It works cool on the, works great on the acoustic guitar, I think. All right, guys. See you tomorrow. Be safe. Take it easy. Thank you.